the world of bookkeeping has evolved significantly. Gone are the days when a bookkeeper simply recorded transactions. Today, many professionals, often referred to as 360 bookkeepers or offering full-service bookkeeping, provide a much more comprehensive suite of financial services. This can include everything from basic data entry and reconciliation to payroll, accounts payable/receivable, financial reporting, and even advisory services. This expanded role brings a critical question to the forefront for independent bookkeepers and small firms. How much should you charge for these comprehensive 360 services? As an accounting software expert with a deep understanding of business operations, I can tell you there's no single magic number. Instead, your pricing strategy needs to be carefully considered, factoring in various elements to ensure you are both competitive and profitable. Understanding the 360 scope. Before we dive into pricing, let's clarify what 360 bookkeeping typically encompasses. It usually goes beyond basic transaction recording and reconciliation to include core bookkeeping, daily/weekly/monthly transaction categorization, bank and credit card reconciliation, accounts payable, AP managing vendor bills, scheduling payments, and managing vendor relationships, accounts receivable, AR generating invoices, tracking receivables, and following up on overdue payments, payroll processing, calculating wages, deductions, taxes, and managing payroll filings, sales tax filing, calculating and filing sales tax returns, financial reporting, preparing and analyzing profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, catch-up bookkeeping, cleaning up past financial records, software setup and integration, setting up accounting software, e.g., QuickBooks Online, Xero, and integrating with other business tools. Basic financial advisory, providing insights based on financial reports, budget analysis, and cash flow management advice. The more of these services you offer, the more value you provide, and consequently, the more you can command for your expertise. Key factors influencing your bookkeeping rates. Your pricing isn't just about what others charge. It's about your unique value proposition. Consider these factors: your experience and expertise. Beginner/junior. If you're new to the field, you'll naturally charge less to build your portfolio and gain experience. Experienced/certified, with years of experience, relevant certifications, e.g., Certified Bookkeeper, QuickBooks Pro Advisor, Xero Certified, or industry-specific knowledge, you can justify higher rates. Your expertise translates to efficiency and accuracy, saving clients time and money. Specialization. Do you specialize in a particular industry, e.g., e-commerce, real estate, healthcare? Industry-specific knowledge is highly valuable and can command a premium. Clients' industry and complexity. Industry complexity. A tech startup with complex revenue recognition might require more specialized knowledge than a small retail shop. Transaction volume. This is a major driver of cost. A client with 50 transactions a month is vastly different from one with 500 or 5,000. Number of bank accounts/credit cards. More accounts mean more reconciliation work. Payroll complexity. Number of employees, frequency of payroll, and state-specific tax requirements impact the effort. Sales tax complexity. Operating in multiple states or jurisdictions with varying sales tax rules adds complexity. Level of messiness. If a client's books are a mess and require extensive catch-up work, this will be a significant additional charge. Service frequency. Monthly. Standard for ongoing bookkeeping. Weekly/bi-weekly. For businesses with high transaction volumes or those needing more frequent insights, this will be more expensive than monthly. Quarterly/annually. Less common for comprehensive services, usually for very small businesses or specific tasks. Location, geographic, and virtual. Cost of living. Bookkeepers in high cost of living areas generally charge more to cover their overhead. Virtual versus in-person. Virtual bookkeepers often have lower overheads and can sometimes offer more competitive rates, but quality and communication remain paramount. Software and tools used. Are you using basic spreadsheets or advanced cloud accounting software like QuickBooks Online, Xero, or FreshBooks. Leveraging efficient software allows you to be more productive, which can be reflected in your pricing, either by allowing you to take on more clients or by justifying higher value. Pricing models for 360 bookkeeping. There are generally 3 common ways to structure your fees. Hourly rate. Pros. Simple to understand for clients. Good for unpredictable work or one-off projects, e.g., cleanup. Cons. Clients may perceive it as incentivizing slowness, can lead to scope creep, extra work not initially agreed upon, if not managed carefully, and doesn't fully capture the value of your expertise. Typical range, from $50 to $150 plus per hour, depending heavily on experience, location, and specific tasks. For highly specialized tasks or urgent cleanup, it can go higher. Fixed monthly packages, most popular for 360 services. Pros. Predictable income for you, predictable costs for the client, encourages efficiency, allows you to bundle services, and promotes a partnership mentality. It moves away from time for money to value for money. Cons. Requires careful scoping of work upfront to avoid undercharging or scope creep. How to set. Start by estimating the time each service takes for a typical client. Add a buffer for unexpected issues. Factor in your desired hourly rate to get a baseline. Then, adjust for the value you bring and market rates. Typical range. For a comprehensive 360 package, this can range significantly, but expect anywhere from $300 to $500 plus per month for small to medium-sized businesses. Basic package, low transaction volume, $300 to $500 per month. Standard package, medium transaction volume, some AP/AR. Basic reports, $500 to $900 per month. Premium package, high volume, payroll, full AP/AR. Detailed reporting, advisory, $900 $500 plus per month. Specialized or very high volume clients could easily go over $2,000 per month. Value-based pricing. Pros focuses on the outcome and benefits you provide, e.g., saving tax money, improving cash flow, providing clarity for better decision-making, rather than just the tasks. This often leads to higher fees and more satisfied clients who see you as a strategic partner. Cons. Requires excellent communication skills to articulate your value and a deep understanding of the client's business. Can be challenging to implement for new bookkeepers. How to set. Identify the quantifiable benefits you bring to the client. What problems are you solving? What financial gains or savings can they expect? Price a package based on that perceived value. Recommendations for setting your rates. Know your costs. Calculate your own overhead, software subscriptions, professional development, insurance, marketing, taxes, etc. You need to cover these and make a profit. Research the market. Look at what other bookkeepers in your region or specializing in your niche are charging. Use online resources, forums, and even discreet inquiries.